Hello everyone, welcome to my online course HSK Level 1, Lesson 1. So this is also a beginner lesson. So today we're going to talk about the most essential and very important thing when you just start to learn Chinese. Okay, so that is called Pinyin. So what is Pinyin, you may ask? That is the pronunciation for the Chinese characters. So after we learn this, you will be able to read the words or sentences without knowing the characters. So all this pinyin, they looks very similar to English words, English letters, but you will have some funny top thing on the top of their head. So that is called tones. So let's get to the first of the pinyin introduction. So pinyin introduction, consists of two parts. So the first part is called initial, as you can see here. So, and the second one is like this. So they are called finals. Okay, let's do the first one. B, b, b. Good. And the next one, p, p. And the next one, m, m. And then f, f. And then d, d. And then t, t. Okay, so did you get all of this for the first line? So now let's see for you to try to read everything together from the beginning but until the end as a review. Okay, so let's just me to read with you one more time. B, p, m, f, d, t. Okay, good. So let's see the next one. It is the second line. So first one, n, n, l, l, g, g. The g is like garage. This one may be a bit strange, but you can write a note as a garage. Then when you think of g, then you know, it's garage g. Next one, k, k, h, h, ji, ji. See my lips are expanded to the side and my teeth are connected, but you don't have any vibration for your teeth. It's just like ji, ji, yi, sound in the end, ji in the beginning. So if you put your finger line in front of your lips, you don't really have any air, let's say much air, go through your teeth. So ji. Okay, so now let's try to review from the beginning. Did you get it? So let's try it together. N, l, g, k, h, ji. Is it okay? Okay, so let's try the next line here. So let me go to the next page. Okay, so the first one, qi, qi, and then xi, xi. So this one, they are very similar to the previous one, that G, the English letter J. But this one, just remember the quantity of the air is different from these three. So first one is no air, so like G, no air. And the second one is qi, it's a lot of air. I mean, if I put my hair in front here, like qi is like flowing kind of a little bit. And the last one is xi, so gently a little bit of air that went through your teeth. So xi. Okay, so let's see next one. So the next three, well, even though you have like two letters, but don't worry, that is also considered as one initial. As long as they're in a one grid square, then they're considered as one initial. Okay, let's see the first one. It's very similar to the word dream. So, 知 sound. So, dream, 知. So, GH is this DR sound. 知, 知. Okay? Read with me, yeah? Don't forget. Next one. 吃, 吃, 吃. So, this is very similar to church. Church, 吃. The next one, SH, 诗, 诗. Very similar, like you're in a library, let's say, and someone's like talking, and then just like, shh, please. Yeah? So it's also very similar to shredded, so 诗, 诗 sound. And the last one of this rule, it is 日, 日. This one could be a little bit difficult, but you can think of the word run. So if you want to run the 日 sound in the very beginning of run, it is this one. So 日, 日. Okay. So a little bit of time for you to read through this line, and then we will repeat together as well. 七夕之吃诗日. Okay, did you have everything? Did you get everything? So let's go to the next line which is the last line for the initials. First one is like mosquito sound. 滋, 滋. Good. Next one, it is very similar to when you try to pronounce the plural cat, that is cats. So there's a very let in the end, which is if you make it stronger, then it will be this one. So 呲, 呲. Okay? And the next one, 丝, 丝. It is like sound or silk, so 丝, 丝. Okay, and the next one, 一, 一. Good. And then 乌, 乌 is similar to you want to go to, let's say, a hiking in the woods. So 乌, so 乌. Good. Okay, so that is everything for initials. That will be our part 1 for lesson 1, which is the initials of Pinyin. So in next lesson, we're going to learn the finals of Pinyin, which is very similar to this one. It is the last part of Pinyin that we're going to learn for the alphabet kind. And then, well, see you in my next video. Bye bye!